So, I picked this up for $8 at Goodwill. The top is, well, it's been used and it's missing a handle there, but the inside looks good. I'm gonna remove the top either way. I need the space. Ah. Oh, you're inset. No! 50 grit sandpaper just to eat through this varnish. Now I'll have that notch. I think I'll just get some wood and fill this in. You know, just be like a little accent on the edge or something like that. That could look neat. I don't know. This thing is really cheap. I was sanding these legs down. The sandpaper I used freaking ate them. Like, these are so light. Like, it must be poplar or something. So I did this once before, and I was amazed how far this little bit of paint made me. But this one little bottle made me an entire dresser. Look at that. Bam! And yeah, that's cool. That's fine.
Make it aesthetically pleasing.
Now, I didn't end up filling in the notches on top of the table, but I'm thinking maybe down the road I'll 3D print something if it comes to mind. Anyways, this is pretty much where this project stands, and I hope you enjoyed this short video.